Well, it's the 30th of November 2023, and I'm here at the YMCA today, and I believe there's a switching on of the lights taking place today. So let's see what's going on here in the YMCA.
So we're a charitable organisation. We obviously give free confidential advice. We do receive some funding from Northumberland County Council, and we do work with a lot of their support functions. So we help people who want some help with food parcels. We're helping people who are struggling to pay their gas and electric bills. We're helping people with housing issues where they might have damp in their properties and they're struggling to get the landlord to fix the repairs. We deal with employment issues, immigration, everything really, debt. Obviously there's a lot of people struggling with the cost of living, so that's a big part of what we do.
And it's Andrea, isn't it?
Yes, that's
and
right. Yeah.
Andrea's mum, yeah? You're from Team Susie, is that correct?
Yes, that's right, yeah.
Could you tell me why you're here today? What's the purpose of your visit today at the YMCA?
We're here just to sort of raise awareness of cancer and the symptoms to look out for. We're a group of volunteer fundraisers for Cancer Research UK, so generally we fundraise for the charity. Susie's my auntie, so my mum's sister. She had cancer, and in her last years she raised money for Cancer Research UK. She passed away in 2017, so we're continue to raise money in her name, her memory. We've raised over 180,000.
Wow, that's absolutely fantastic.
Really proud of it, yeah.
So, how do you think she would feel?
She would be over the moon. She'll be absolutely over the moon. We got to 20,000 just before she passed away, so she would be amazed that we've managed to sort of raise 180,000.
And I'm from the Ashington Veterans and Elders Institute.
Could you tell us a little bit more about what you...
Yes, basically it's an institute for people over 55 who are either retired, semi-retired or long-term illness. We cut and make all these colourful wooden things, etc. We then sell these and donate the money to charities. So last year we donated £5,000 to the oncology unit, and this year we're donating £5,000 to the mental health institute on Green Lane, which is called Ashbourne House.
The Lions Club, believe it or not, people say, who are you? We are the biggest voluntary organisation in the world.
It's a busy time of the year for us, but it's very rewarding, really rewarding.
Little donkey, on a dusty road. Got to keep on plodding onwards with your precious load.
And look who I've found here, it's Sharon Palmy. Hello, Sharon. I haven't seen you for a while. How are you keeping?
I'm very good, thank you.
You're looking full of busy.
I am full of busy.
So when did this all start? When did you start putting it down on paper?
The end of the summer.
End of the summer.
End of the summer.
And it's come to fruition today.
And it's
But it's not outside today.
It's not outside today. This year we're indoors and outdoors.
Bethlehem, oh, let's start tonight. Bethlehem, Bethlehem.
Here at the YM we've got over 20 community groups and organisations doing children's activities. There's Christmas card making, biscuit decorating. There's an activity in the hall behind we're here. They're making lanterns. We're going to have a lantern parade up the bank onto Station Road and along to the Christmas tree where our special guest Daniel James is going to be singing his new single.
Every day, little donkey, carry Mary safely on her way. Little donkey, carry Mary safely on her way.
Just happy to partake in the Christmas light switch on event as part of the community events that are happening at the YMCA. Not just the club, I think for the community in general. I think it's good to see, you go in the other rooms and you see, the important organisations like Citizens Advice and Community Links and everyone that's come together as part of the community to be part of these events. Yeah.
I think we're probably finding around about the January time when people start getting some of the bills coming through, and that obviously it's a struggle, and people find the peer pressure for to make the spending at Christmas. Yeah,
I think it's pretty consistent probably over the year, but definitely over the last few months and sort of with people's finances over the last 12 months, there's definitely been an increase, I would say, in people accessing services such as savings and with loans.
We're a credit union and we're based in the town hall in Ashington. We do savings and loans. It's affordable loans for people who can't access them in banks. They start from £300 to £15,000.
Oh, I suppose the primary idea about the community bank is to have ethical savings and loans to support people who are probably most at risk of falling into sort of loan sharks or in difficulty around money, and it's to help promote savings and financial security for individuals.
With a whole set of elves that wrap, another set that does sellotape on, and then another one that does ribbons and things. We're very organised.
December gets really busy, so we've got games right through December, including Boxing Day and the 30th of December, so we've got about 5 or 6 games at least.
Because you've recently been promoted, have you?
Yeah, we have, yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Well done. So that brings its own issues, does it, problems, or whatever you want to call it?
Problems, but I suppose they're nice problems, but they're problems all the same.
So what sort of things are you fundraising for?
Improved ground facilities to stay in the league that we're in, so pitch enclosure fencing and floodlighting and turnstile and things like that.
That sounds like a lot of money.
It is.
All is bright round young virgin mother and child.
When I was at primary school,
I thought you would say that.
Well, the thing is, I played Joseph in the Nativity at my primary school, Rosemary Academy it's called now. And the teachers went, "Hey, look at that poor lad, he's got nothing to do." So they gave me "O Holy Night" to sing.
Sleep in heavenly peace.
And I sung it. And my mum, I could see my mum on the third row, and my dad, typical, came in at the end. School hall, doubled as the gym. But when I hit the high note in "O Holy Night," everyone cheered. And I thought, I quite like that. And that set me on the road to being a singer.
Lay the world in sin and error.
So when it came to me to do a single, I thought, I've got to put Holy Night in there. And so I've combined Silent Night and Holy Night.
All is calm, all is bright, round young virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly Thank you, everyone. Have a very Merry Christmas.
So is this what makes it all so worthwhile for yourself?
It does, yes, yes.
Is there a special memory you have from a Christmas, say a Christmas time of the past?
No, because
Special memory?
they're all special.
Being with my family and scranning a bunch of pigs and blankets.
Spending time with family, having a little sort of break from work, and just really enjoying spare time with loved ones.
I think I've got the day off.
You've got a day off?
I've got the day off.
So even the mayor gets a day off on Christmas Day?
Yes.
Family like everyone else, really. I mean, I live in Ashington, so I'm just like a local person. Yeah, definitely.
Probably just that I'm the eldest of a very big family of 8. So back then, it meant a lot more than it does now.
It was on a starry night when the hills were bright, and then sleeping calm and still. Then in a castle shed, in a manger bed, a boy was born, king of all the world. And all the angels sang for him, the birds of heaven ran for him, for a boy was born, king of all the world. And all the angels sang for him, the birds of heaven ran for him, for a boy was born, king of all the world. The shepherds came that way, where a baby lay, and were kneeling by his side. And our hearts believed again, for the peace of men, for a boy was born, king of all the world. And all the angels sang for him, the bells of heaven rang for him, for a boy was born, king of all the world. And all the angels sang for him, the bells of heaven rang for him, for a boy was born, king of all the world.
I'm the marketing assistant and community engagement officer for Mortal Falls and also YMCA Northumberland. We work with young people from 8 right up to 19.
Is that based at the YMCA?
Based at the YMCA, and we do kind of encourage people to work together, increase their confidence through mostly theatre and drama, but through all different creative methods. So this is Mac, and they're making Christmas houses and festive houses, and we're asking people to write about like what makes them feel at home.
Being comfortable at home is seeing my family, seeing my pets. I've got lots of pets, and just like having time off from work, which is nice.
A good age, you know. There's family connections here that go way back for 100 years.
So will you be playing primarily Christmas hymns today?
Christmas carols.
Christmas carols?
Yes.
I'm sure you must have Christmas carols at school.
Yeah.
Do you have favourite one?
We're learning some. We're learning some.
Which one are you learning?
I can't remember the name. What's the name? Go tell it on a mountain. Go tell it on a mountain. And
You're getting time off school
Mary's
as well?
poor child. Mary's poor child. And go and tell it on the mountain. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's a season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone.
But I've come back home where I started in the Salvation Army. I'm part of the Salvation Army small band.
Based in Ashington?
Based in Newbiggin.
Newbiggin.
Yes. But, we're here to support people of Ashington. That's my musical instrument. It's a personal property. I've had it for several decades, and it was second-hand when I bought it.
You don't look several decades old.
Yes. I'm in my 80th decade.
You're in your 80th?
Wow. I'll be 83 next month.
Wow.
We do occasional outside work. We did one last weekend at the lights at Newbiggin. And but I mean, we're an old band now, so at one time a few decades ago we could do a bit of marching. Now we've got to sort of sit on seats, and play our music.
We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find a girl underneath the mistletoe. We'll kiss my candlelight. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Here we go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Did you enjoy the Christmas switch on?
Yeah, the silver bits were really nice.
What do you think of the lights?
They're really nice.
Really nice. And what about the singing as well? Come on in. What about the singing as well?
I think the singing was good.
Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah. It was really, really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, my granddad.
It's not here no more, so
He was just so bubbly and just so like cheerful.
he loves Christmas.
Like we used to get up in the morning and there used to be like music bouncing. He used to walk along the passage saying Santa's been, and like.
Can I ask you what his name was?
Anthony Taylor.
Probably when I was little and we all used to meet up at my granny's house because it was a big family and all the presents would be everyone would meet up and give each other all the presents at the bottom of the tree.
And if Anthony Taylor was here today, what would you say to him? At Christmas time.
I would say like I love him and like I love you. Thanks for everything.
Give him a big hug, say Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thanks for sharing that.
Thank you. Because I was a teenager when Yale were having their hit songs, so it was good to hear them singing.
You don't look that old.
Bless your heart.
I do, but you don't.
Silent Night or Holy Night, and we're going to go for a cup of tea now. But it's been great being here in Ashington. It's like coming home.
Frosty morning.